Yes! Sales is really, really, really simple. All we have to do is find out what people want and then sell it to them. Here is my 3-step process of making sure you close more sales. Step 1, be nice. People buy from people they like. Be nice, be friendly, be interested, be sincere. It's over 50% of the sale. If you do those things, your conversion rate will soar. Step 2, remember, people buy for their own reasons, not yours. You need to find out in detail exactly what it is your prospect wants, and you do that by asking questions. In sales, questions are always the answer. And step 3 is know your prospect's budget. Always make sure you're asking, or you've got a good idea of how much your prospect wants to spend. If you know what somebody wants and you know their budget and you can meet or come in under their budget, you will always close the sale. So that's my 3-step formula for closing more sales. Be nice, ask questions, know the budget. Go sell.